Ready, babe?
Let's do this. I need a key.
Good morning.
Good morning, baby. Great.
Ooh.
It is not warm out. There we go.
Woo! Really early. Well, like, it's early. I was gonna say it's not that early. And we're seizing the day today. And we'll explain what we're doing, I think, a little bit later, probably, right?
Yeah, we don't need to explain it.
But right now, we got our butts up to do a little local workout.
Yeah, we found a gym. And we're gonna just do a little trial class. We'll see how she goes.
We're up at least.
Can you hold this, honey? Sorry, I just want to check to make sure we're going the right way. I don't know, but can I make the mistake? Yeah, other way.
And I'm dead. Well,
We did seize the day, and now we're just gonna have to go back and take a nap now. No, just kidding.
that was good. I kicked my butt.
Yeah, it's fun.
Feeling
it's really
good?
good.
Face a little red.
Really good.
I need a coffee.
I need a coffee really bad.
Could we just have 2 lattes, please? Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
What kind do you want, babe? Espresso Leggero? Espresso Forte?
Whatever kind.
We needed just one more coffee before we officially start our day. You know when you get up and you do something like an early morning workout, and then you just feel so proud of yourself, so you like treat yourself the rest of the day? I feel like that's what we're gonna do. Do you want milk, babe?
No thanks.
Here you go.
Thanks, honey.
Can't turn the camera around. Okay, yeah. One last thing. Before we get ready, we have to show you something.
Tune in.
Oh. Okay, ready? Wait. I'm gonna spill my coffee. Okay, babe, hit it. Oh. That's just fancy.
That's agreed. Okay, let's get ready.
Okay. Okay, official good morning. Those coffees really saved my life.
Oh yeah, and then we had more coffees. So I think we're ready to rock.
I'm so ready.
So why are we here?
Okay, guys, we have something really exciting to, I don't know if I want to say announce, but to tell you.
Like an announcement, I guess.
We are beginning a new partnership that's really exciting for the 2 of us.
And hopefully for you.
And hopefully for you too, because you're gonna be along for the ride the entire time. We are partnering with Travel Gay Canada. And if you don't know what Travel Gay Canada is, it's like Travel Canada, but gay.
For the gays.
So Travel Gay Canada is doing a major revamp, and they're trying to get everyone excited, and Canada's just such an amazing place for gay people to travel.
Right. We want to show, obviously, if you're gay, straight, or anything, but we're really pushing that you can feel safe here, I think. So
it's safe, it's fun, and not only safe, but like have you ever felt judged walking around the streets of...
Only with you.
Well, only because it's me, not because we're gay.
We don't know a ton of stuff yet. We'll take you along for the ride when we know, but we're kicking it off today in Yorkville, Toronto. We were hoping for a really sunny day because it's a really cute neighborhood in Toronto. It's a little rainy.
By a little, like a lot. It's just rain all day, but it's fine.
Yeah, so we're gonna take you around Yorkville, and hopefully...
We're gonna show you how much fun you can have in Yorkville, even when it's pouring. Let's do this. Right.
So gay.
Also, the hotel that we're staying in is ridiculous. We already
really
showed you
nice.
the
the
automatic blinds. Yeah, where's the exit? Okay. Okay. Like it's rainy, but just picture it. Here, let me open this.
Picture it not rainy.
It's still beautiful. The weather's turning around. This is just one little blip, you know? It's already been better. Yesterday was gorgeous.
Last weekend was amazing.
Last weekend was so amazing. What am I looking for? Oh, my bag.
Fix me, fix me.
You look fabulous, darling. It looks beautiful. We share clothes.
That's the best part about being in a relationship with another girl.
That's the best part.
Well, one of the best parts. Girl, you're so healthy.
I know, I totally didn't eat those chips just before. It's only the fruit. I will only touch the fruit.
Let's roll. And you're leaving it.
It was disgusting. I love this wallpaper.
And this is beautiful Yorkville. Let's go see a movie. Just kidding. I got you, babe.
Okay.
Where do we go now? Left, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna do a little bit of exploring because obviously it's not ideal, but we're gonna do it because you can't come to a cool place and stay inside the whole time. So we're gonna do a little bit of outside time and then we're gonna go shopping.
Well, Yorkville's known for their shopping. Maybe a little bit out of our price range, so we might just like window shop, but it's fine.
The window shopping's the best because you get to have all the fun and then your credit card's fine afterwards. Although it's kind of sad when you didn't get anything.
It's sad. It's really sad.
You don't have to just window shop. Just look for the deals. Look for the deals.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
Go surprise you with some Louboutins or whatever those are called.
Yeah, I bought you some already, so we're not gonna pop in there because we already have a few pair.
Right. Red bottoms.
Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the...
We went here last night, can confirm gelato is amazing.
Loved it.
Yeah. We shared though, which like, if I went again, I would get my own.
the things I don't know.
Hall? I was gonna say, the cutest fire hall ever.
I panicked that you were hurt and I turned the filming off. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? For real? Oh. Just for two? Okay. So, be honest. Is your hip broken?
I think maybe a little.
Did I save you?
You were concerned. You were concerned. You got it all on video, but you were concerned.
I turned it off right away. I panicked.
For all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Lunch was delicious. Now we're
So
shopping.
good.
Window shopping.
Window shopping.
But I know that I'm gonna go to hell for this.
Why? What are you gonna Don't
keep,
say it then.
No,
oh my goodness.
You already know. I keep randomly bursting out laughing because I'm thinking about Steph's fall. And it's just killing me.
Yeah, you do keep laughing.
Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious heat.
History? And when the Royal Ontario Museum of Archaeology was created in 1912, he became its first director.
I think the rain's slowing down.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh,
Show me.
You're gonna love it. This is for all my Italian girls out there.
That is the one.
Give me your freedom. Whoa. You love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. For your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa. You love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. For your pandemonium. Whoa.
We're back. I'm like a drowned rat right now.
Actually, I feel like we didn't get it nearly as wet as I thought I was going to. So
Yeah,
winning.
we did.
All right, we have to freshen up now for dinner.
Just like a 5-minute nap. Hello. Hi. We're ready. We're freshened up, and we're just going to grab some dinner. Still awkward filming in public. Every time I see someone, I'm like,
We had an awesome day exploring Yorkville, even though I had to use this the whole day.
Yeah.
But I think we got a hoot.
Umbrella's still in action. There's so many cute little places to eat and good places to shop, which always gets us.
I know. I
It
feel
always
like
does.
it'd be fun to come back when all the patios and stuff are
Yeah.
out.
We're actually going to have dinner right now with the executive director and a few other people from Travel Gay Canada, so should be fun.
It'll be
Any
fun.
excuse to hang out with the gays is good for us. All right, so I guess we'll see you after dinner, and if we don't see you after dinner, hope you like this vlog, and we will see you guys again soon.
Bye, guys.
We had to turn the camera back on to show you guys that we have no umbrella. It has stopped raining.
It's a miracle.
Just in time for us to be ready for bed.
Yeah, I was gonna say perfect.
Yep. Okay, we're back at the hotel.
One more thing.
Did you guys know this is Drake's favorite hotel?
We just found that out.
Steph wanted to show you something.
Good night.
Wow. If that isn't why it's Drake's favorite hotel, I don't know what else it could be.
Yeah, I need it. For your pandemonium. Whoa.
Okay, wait. My hair looks like Donald Trump.